Big crit.
5.
Are we waiting?
4, 3,
No, we're going.
2.
Waiting for crit.
Crit buff.
Oh, crit. I thought he said wait.
Beware.
Second one.
Stop on the engine.
Beware.
Can't touch it.
It's killing in there now.
Yeah, just take it.
Beware.
Back.
Watch out, the engineer's almost dead.
Beware.
Nuke the third one. Keep it heat low.
Good rush. No.
Beware.
Was it me?
30. Good, that's
Yeah.
fine.
Oh, sorry, I didn't see that because I had a bomb at the same time.
Messing up a lot of ruptures.
Oh, 3 so far.
We're done.
There's 3 more than the rest of the raid. We're done as well, almost.
Beware.
1 more on the far side. Go, or truck it quick. Good, we're done before the 4th.
Beware.
Can't. Oh, there.
Flag is up. Good, done it.
Beware.
Rupture. Viva.
Select that.
Nuke.
Beware.
That's fine. You can stop now, Liz. And just go for the security guards. We don't need to nuke it below 50. Either way is fine.
Beware.
Second slag as well. Rest tanky quick. Spread out. Nuke it down. Move on.
Fire callers.
And kill fire callers now, yeah? While we're moving.
It's just one alive.
Get the slag. Cross, that is, I guess.
Beware.
Yeah, get the cross.
Primal.
Beware.
5, 4, 3.
250, then swap for the fire call. That's fine, you can stop. Go for the fire caller. Alright, get the rest of the HP on the fire caller. Or the primal, I mean.
Beware.
Spread out.
5,
Goal done. Move on. Kill fire callers again.
2, 1.
Beware. Beware.
Select that.
Nuke.
Beware.
That's fine. Move on. Fire callers up.
Beware.
Spread out.
5,
A lot of debuff. Using
3,
tide.
2, 1.
Beware.
Flag Flag long. dead.
Select that.
Nuke. And let's move on. Last one.
Get security guards.
Do some security in between.
Yeah, fire
Together
caller,
with fire
okay.
caller.
Or fire caller. Fire callers up. Spread out.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
I died. Blue was on me.
Blue is now running after Hecky. Hecky.
Now the flags die.
Yeah, good. Nuke. 50% on lift primal. Let's have revival in the next blast. Now. Good. Fine. Kill our fire callers. Get the blue.
Interrupt. Okay, you need to go stand on.
5,
Good. Spread out.
4, 3, 2, 1.
No! Move away, move away, move away, move it, interrupt it and move it. Good, that's good.
Good.
I had the ball of
Nuke.
so.
Nuke the security guards. Now security. And move into the corner. If you get a debuff called Melt, move the fuck into a corner.
Fire comes.
And fire callers. Get everything down.
Can I get the fox?
Spread out.
4,
The roar.
3, 2, 1.
Corner with the Melt debuff.
We have fire calls alive.
Fire callers needs to die. Personals than you have now. Dufsky rally.
No.
Okay, Hilly.
Yeah.
Now it's just boss. Yes.
Yeah.
Nuke the
well.
boss now. And Melt
last.
in the corners.
Oh wait,
Yeah,
you can't.
2 minutes.
Yeah, it was just me. Forgot.
And spread out and focus now. And keep it quiet.
Alright, I'll taunt.
Using tide. Alright. Feel free to drop it on the melee and the tanks. Now my tide is gone.
Taunt. Just take him.
Personals if you're low.
Watch out for the flags die. They do. Blue, especially.
Taunting.
The tank external to the outside.
Just call in quarantine now, please.
Go Cruxies, can we have?
Melt.
Give me curl.
Move.
Rest me.
I'll rally
Rest
out.
clubs. Rest clubs.
Give me something.
Cooldowns, defensives, everything. Last dance.
Anything now. Anything you have. Personals.
I think he has vigilance, so I'll give him next.
What's the time on last?
Tonic.
10 seconds. Keep it alive. Keep it alive. Focus now. Everything you have. Lusting.
Take him.
Yeah, no.
I'm standing in the melt.
Come on.
Fuckers.
Come on.
Good job.
Well done. Well done.
One more
Holy
half
shit.
phase. Good job. Mythic Warforged weapon.